Before kidnap, they blow up my church in front of me. I survived twice with serious bomb and my car destroyed twice. One time I was just standing in the front, the main gate of my church, and just they came and they shooting us, and I got shot in my leg by AK-47. And they kidnapped me, yeah, for 9 days. Those 9 days never been forgotten, never. Yeah, I choose to be priest, and this is the cost.
Ce jour-là, il y a un groupe de djihadistes qui sont entrés dans le monastère de Marlian où j'ai vécu pendant 15 ans.
After the Sunday Mass, I went to visit friends. So when I went, immediately there were 2 cars and they blocked the highway in front of me, and suddenly they stopped me and they jumped from the car. Many people they were covered with a gun, and they opened immediately the doors and they took me from the car and put me in the back.
I came out of the sister's home to enter to the other drive which leads to the old age home. But halfway through, I heard 2 gunshots from near the main gate. An armed man with an automatic gun got hold of my hand. In a short while, they brought 2 of the sisters, Mother Teresa sisters, and I could hear 2 gunshots. And the other 2, I could see them being shot on the head from behind in close range. All what I could do was just to pray. But they asked me if I'm a Muslim. I said, no, I'm a Christian. For whatever reason, after a short while, they opened the trunk of the car, asked me to get in, they helped me to get in. Then, of course, my stay of 1.5 years began that way.
Il nous a mis dans la voiture de monastère, il nous a amenés dans le désert. Sur la route, j'étais en train de prier le chapelet, et pendant le 3e mystère, j'ai senti un cri très fort dans mon cœur, dans mon âme, qui dit « Je vais vers la liberté ». Mais moi, j'étais étonné. Mais qu'est-ce que signifie ce phrase? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Pendant ça, j'ai eu un paix dans mon cœur que j'ai senti qui remplit tout ce désert qui est autour de moi.
When they put chain in my hand, this is the left of the chain, it was 10. So I used to pray the rosary. When I was praying, it was just the voice like, don't be worried, you are not alone. To me, it was enough, completely enough.
J'avais toujours cette soif de s'unir avec Jésus. Chaque dimanche, c'était très difficile. Tous les dimanches, c'était très difficile pour moi. Alors, j'ai célébré toujours la messe dans mon cœur. J'ai appelé la messe de la nostalgie, comme ça, simplement.
So either I would sit or lie down, say the prayers of the Mass, and spiritually ask the Lord to provide me bread and wine. That way I used to celebrate the Eucharist almost every day and pray for everyone who is dead, who is alive, for end of war, for my captives, and so on and so forth.
Angry, yes, but hate, no. I remember they asked me, what you think who we are? I think that if any one of you has chance to finish the school or to finish the college, anyone will you be at least teacher, maybe doctor and engineer. But I thought the life, it was very hard with you. That's why you left the school and someone is using you, situation like this. It was silent. And after that, each one started to talk about his own story.
It wasn't difficult for me. I had governed myself to the Lord's will. Certainly the Lord Himself has taught us to forgive our enemy and to pray for. I used to do that.
Et si moi je suis sauvé, je suis vivant, je suis libre aujourd'hui, c'est pour témoigner comment et combien le bon Dieu est proche. Il ne nous laisse pas et la Vierge Marie nous protège par sa prière et sa présence auprès de nous.
And I live to be a witness to the Lord and proclaim that the Lord is God and is alive.
Je considère cette période comme une grâce que le bon Dieu m'a donnée.
Faith, yeah, it's really strong. It's really what we need in our life. But faith without action, it's just words. So take your action seriously and save the part. That's mean my church, because we are in one body but different parts.
La disponibilité de donner la vie pour la vérité, c'est le chemin qui nous amène à la vraie résurrection.
If we are not able to be present directly to help the individual who are suffering, the missionaries, the people are faithful who are suffering for their faith, persecutions, definitely our prayers will support and strengthen them.
Quand je suis sorti, j'ai su combien de gens ils ont prié pour moi et pour tous les chrétiens qui ont été sauvés, libérés. Mais cet remerciement continue. Nous sommes appelés à continuer à prier très fort avec tous nos cœurs pour la paix dans notre pays, pour la paix dans notre monde.
He has heard the prayers of every one of us, every one of you, and has given an answer. So it is to this truth that I bear witness. Thank you, dear brothers and sisters, for your prayers from all over the world. My message to everyone is this, that trust in Jesus. He is alive.